Performing their Ahuroa. And right now we'd like to just welcome each and every one of you once again. For those of you that were here yesterday and here today again, thank you so much for coming back. Without further ado,
our Ahuroa songs and dances are based on the beautiful, fragrant, and delicate Tiare Tahiti flower. This rare flower is native to the islands of Tahiti and are adorned by its people for its beauty, pleasant scent, and uniqueness to the islands. A great pride is taken in the wearing of this flower, either as a decoration or perfume. Our songs reflect the pride of the people have when they sing the Tiare Ma'ohi. Often, as in our songs, the tiare is compared to the wahine. Our dancers honor the tradition of the Tahitian people by dancing and singing of the alluring Tiare Ma'ohi. You will see the tiare represented as our solo dancer represents this flower embodiment. Under the direction of Stephen and Melody Sionoa, ladies and gentlemen, TUPUA.
Tahiti, pero ahí no
Ladies and gentlemen, TUPUA. That was so beautiful. That was beautiful. Vocals, dancing. I want you all to go home and start practicing your knife. Not the butter knife, okay? Not your kitchen knife, not your machete knife. This is a fire knife dancer. You know, the one with the little hook at the end. So, you know, with modern technology, you Google it and it'll be there. If you have any further questions, please see my dear friend, Mr. Roy Asueno. Is Roy in the audience? Is Brother Roy here somewhere? He's here somewhere. Anyways, you'll get to meet him in a little bit. But if you have any further questions, you can come on up here and ask any of us or see Brother Roy Asueno. Also, we've got this fabulous booth that's straight down to the end, kind of like you go down and into the end. Let your nose follow, okay? Because they are selling some really good little finger foods, little snack. They've got the vai malengi and mango over there. If you don't know what that is, go over there and try it. You'll like it, I guarantee you. They got chap suey bo, they got manapua, and musubi. So for those of you that just want a little snack for the day, they're located all the way to the left at the very end over there. So don't forget, they are called what was the name of the booth again, all around the corner?
Oh, it's the no-name booth. It's the no-name booth. They haven't come up with a name yet, but you know what? They're really good food.
They're called the no-name deliciosi. They're called the deliciosi booth. Okay.
Also, we're streaming live right now. Checkboard, live streaming. So everybody say hello, wave your hand in the air, say hello to your friends across the planet.
They are streaming live?
Live.
So for those of you that didn't comb your hair, make sure you comb your hair right now. Put the flower on the right side or on the left side. You know, make sure, because they're going to see you live, right?
They're going to see you live. And photography by Bryson Kim. He's been here all weekend. Great photographer. And we'd like to say thank you to one of our great sponsors, Tahiti Tourism.
Yes.
Visit a lot of Hura Tahiti selling t-shirts right up at the front, so please, there's only a few pieces left, so you got to go get your t-shirts while they last.
All right. Do we need to do a sound check over here? No, not yet. How many of you are celebrating a birthday today? Do we have any birthdays in the house? What's the name? Marisa? Come on, stand up, Marisa. Stand up, Marisa. Good, golly, everybody, give her a great big round of applause for Marisa. She just turned 21 today. Happy birthday, sister, you looking good. Don't forget, we're gonna get the Stream Life app going straight to you, girl. Okay, all right, how many of you from Daly City? Oh, quite a bit over here. Right in the middle section, right behind our judges. Okay. How many of you from Santa Ana? Okay, we got a few. How about Anaheim? Okay, you need some help over there. Okay, you need some help when they still do. Okay. How many from Long Beach? Okay, well, we got one guy that's hanging in there for the Long Beach people. Speaking of Long Beach, ladies and gentlemen, a little bit later on, also we do have a special performance by a group called Tamari'i Creation. They're going to be doing, anybody from that group, Tamari'i Creation? Are you in the house? They're from Long Beach. Where are you at? Okay, that's okay. They're over there somewhere. Anyways, they're going to be doing a little mini Samoan fashion show with Samoan attire, and then they're going to share with you some of the songs and dances, a little mini performance, songs and dances from Samoa. Do we have any Samoan people in the house? Okay, all you Samoans, let me hear you follow. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I like that one. Where's that one coming from? The one that kind of echoed and went, okay, you're a real fob. That's a real fob, but you can chew and carry it onto the E note and the G note. Malo sole. Oh, he's Mexican. A Samoan from Mexico. Hey, buenos dias, amigo. ¿Qué pasó? Hey, sit down, brother. I'm not talking to you. Okay, sit down. Thank you so much. Okay, okay. I'm not your mama. Okay, so no, I'm only malo sole. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Alrighty. Okie dokie. We're gonna be quiet. Okay. Shh. We'll do a sound check. Sound check.
Test, check.
They did not call their name. Who's that over there? Okay, I'm gonna talk to you later, girl. Don't you ever call my name out like that again. Okay? Only my mama can do that. Shh! Filez-moi. Without further ado,
we have chosen this theme to show the beauty of this simple flower and how the most simplest things can have such big meanings behind them. The tiare flower provides so many things for the Maohi. It is the soul and the symbol of the culture. This simple flower can have such a powerful impact just by wearing it in your hair or by its fragrance filling the air. It's a flower to never be forgotten. When asking the children of Rahiti, what does tiare represent? The answers were love, beauty, and happiness. Under the direction of Remy Aranda, all the way from Daly City, California, ladies and gentlemen, Rahiti.
about another great big round of applause from Daly City, California, Rahiti. What a fabulous job. That was their Tamari'i Ote'a. Come on, give it up for those little ones one more time. That was so adorable. All the little ones being able to maintain the formations and moving from left to right. Thank you so much. While they're kind of cleaning up and restructuring the stage up here, coming up from the Bay Area is a group called Ohinaro Nui. They are from the Bay Area. I believe they're from the Bay Area, is that correct? Oh, but they're not quite sure too, over there. Okay, well that's okay, because we will soon find out exactly where they're from. I know they're somewhere in that vicinity. Great job, guys. Good luck to you guys. Beautiful, beautiful. We're going to send our children all to you guys, okay? All right, great, great job. Okay, how about a round of applause for our sweeper? Take a bow, yeah. This girl here works that broom like nobody's business. Don't forget, we do want to thank once again our sponsors. We can't thank them enough. Our sponsors, Tahiti Tourism, Checkerboard, live streaming, Brother Bryson with photographer. He's our photographer. Also, if you're trying to take videos up there, I want you to know you need a pass to be able to do some videos up there. If you don't have one, please make your way to the booth where they sell t-shirts and get a pass to do that. If not, we're going to have security put handcuffs on you and tie you up to the ceiling, okay?
Take your phone away. Take your phone away.
Okay, please, you got to have permission to take videos. We have a videography that's making that happen for you right in here. So please, abide by the rules. Also, another announcement that was given up here to us. Please, for those of you that want to have a little bit of your tobacco, you got a little nicotine fit, please remember there's the school premises and there's absolutely no smoking in the front door, the back door, under the tree, because we can see you. We can see you. If you want to have have your tobacco, you got to go down by the 605 freeway, okay? That's where you guys are going to go. Okay. All righty-o. Don't forget our fire knife and